got to give me a row and a push every single time. So grab those light weights. Let's all start together. Tuck that right leg. Pull that left arm up. You're going to rotate in those knees. 3, 2, here we go. Jump. And make sure you give me a big rotation in the torso. And that you row that weight. Abdominals are in. Toes, staying facing forward. Beautiful, Darlene. Her head is going with it. That's gorgeous. If you need to, you can step it with Charisse. Good, Charisse. And reach. 4, 3, 2. Everybody breathe. One more round. So, squat, clean lunge. We're going to do it on the other side. Grab that light weight. So the feet are going to be hip width apart. The weight is in the right hand. You're going to squat. You're going to clean and jump. Come on, we got this. 3, 2, here we go. We go squat and clean. Stick with me. We're almost there, you guys. Hit that 90-degree angle in your legs every time you're breathing. Chest is up. Pelvis is pulled under you. Patrick, let me see it. Beautiful. Every time
oh man, this one's hard.
Watch this. 90 degrees, knees behind the toe.
That left leg is on fire.
That lunge, his abs are in. His chest is up. His pelvis is shooting down and out. Perfect eye line. You see that, Patrick? That's gorgeous. Keep it going, you guys. Keep breathing. You got this. We're together on this. Let's go. Nice, Kane. You got it. I love it. Keep breathing. Yes. Gorgeous. Every time.
Shit.
Sam, how you doing? Hi, Sabrina. There's about to burn. You're almost there. Push through it. We got this. Let's go. Good. Even if you need to keep that modification where you're stepping on the street, you do it. Just finish it. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Set it down. Yes.
Holy cow.
Burpee.
This one is hard.
Shake it all out.